How cool it would be if the entire GTA 5 was made in your city, making your home as your secret base and driving your vehicle all through the city. Fascinating, right? Welcome to another Crux video. We all have experienced the advancements in AI in our daily lives, whether it was Google Photos identifying your face or your Instagram account showing you ads and recommending you something. It's all done with the help of thousands of advanced AI algorithms working in background. 21st century is the era of gaming. With the advancements in AI, this industry is expanding at a skyrocket speed. One such way of how AI is impacting gaming is by making real-life games. So, let's dive deep into today's video where we'll learn about cartoonifying images, whether it is creating your Disney Pixar avatar or cartoonify your surroundings. We'll go through the entire process and look at how it is done and implemented in just 5 minutes. The entire code of this video is in the description box. You can check it out. So, let's get started. We'll work on Google Colab. For those of you who don't know what Google Colab is, think of it like a platform for developers for writing code for machine learning. So the very first step is to clone my repository. Now let's see what's the structure of this. As you can see, we have one saved models, test images, readme and cartoonize all these files. These are the files that contains the entire algorithm. If you want to cartoonify your own images, what you can do is right click on it, upload, and then you can select an image from your local system. I'll just select one. So we'll cartoonify this and we see the results as well. For non-technical person, you can just click on it and directly run it. Now we import the necessary libraries. Once imported, we'll move on to next step. Now we'll resize the image. These are the pre-processing steps that are needed to cartoonify your surroundings as well as your images. Now let's run the main algorithm. So these are the folders. As you can see, we don't have a cartooned images folder here. We want our images to be present in the cartoonized images folder. It's not there yet. It's the main part of the algorithm. We'll train our AI using this step. So whenever I click this, training AI will start. You must be seeing that the AI has started training. What it doing in background is cartoonifying them. So I'll just show you the results as well in a second. So as you can see, cartoonized images folder has appeared. Now we'll see the results. This was the actual image that we used. We'll see the cartoonified image of itself. So this is the cartoonified image. So as you can see, it has sharply identified the edges and cartoonified itself. What happens as a result is you can use these images directly in games and render them. You don't have to prepare an image for all these things. You can directly use them from here. You can directly prepare a game from your local surroundings as well. Now we use the Musk image that we imported. So this was the actual image. Now let's see the result. This is how it has cartoonified itself. It's a very clear cartoon of Elon Musk, as you can see. So this is how this algorithm works. This is a pretty good work done by the researchers. So if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. That's all.